India can. And I think that's the message I want to say. India can. And India can train state-of-the-art models, bring AI to 1 billion Indians, and do it all. And that's really the message of why we started Sarvam. I want to talk about the long arc. You know, when you look at, today the world is moving so fast. Everybody talks about where is the largest model or who has the fastest chip. These are all transitory technical advantages. In the long run, it's sovereignty that matters. And unless we build these things ourselves, it's something that we'll be left behind in the race. In the past 15 years of my life, I worked on building Aadhaar, which is India's digital identity program. Prior to that, many of these technologies were proprietary technologies. And we built this kind of self-created technology that is open source and a public infrastructure that is available to all of us. And that led to the creation of the India Stack. So when you look at it over the course of long periods of time, sovereignty will always trump technical leads that are short-term. We have a mandate to build. It is not an option whether we want to build in these technologies. AI is a technology that has impact on every single aspect of human life. And it's a core technology that a country like India must understand from the foundational level. Otherwise, we will become a digital colony, which is dependent on other countries for this core technology. That's something that it's not an option, it is something that we must do. And we have unique advantages. And our unique advantage is actually our diversity. We have so many languages. We have 22 official languages. And in fact, the way people speak in our country changes every 50 kilometers. And that diversity must be captured if we have to understand the voice of the people. And therefore, if we build AI from India, it must acknowledge that diversity and do this. The other thing, of course, is we are a huge economy. There is demand. And if AI is there to help the citizens to do everything, we can be one of the largest consumers of AI in the world. And that demand is there, and then we have to build. We know that we are a cost-conscious country, right? Everything needs to be at the lowest cost. So we need to build efficient AI that actually can be delivered at scale for the people so that the last person in the country can actually have a better experience, right? Today, if you look at UPI, one of the great success stories of the past decade. And if you look, it is for the first time we feel that in India things can be better than everywhere else in the world. But AI done the right way can make sure that every service to citizens actually is the best and the cheapest and actually done in the best possible way for the country. And that's the promise of AI, and that's why we said we need to do this in India. And I think it's not about, we have companies which have, globally when you look at AI companies, they are massive companies. But in the end, we have to show a new model where we can actually build AI which helps everyone. And then we can win for the people, and our model can be adopted in the world. And that is my belief of where we need to go on this thing.